Postdio image generation AI is one of the newest tools to hit the AI scene, and today we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this groundbreaking software. Whether you're just starting to explore AI or you're already a seasoned user, Postdio is packed with features that could make a serious impact on how you create visuals. Stick with me because you won't want to miss how Postdio stands out from the crowd, especially when you can try it completely free from the first link in the description below. First off, Postdio is designed to be incredibly user-friendly while delivering high-quality, highly customizable images. You don't need to be an expert in design or digital art to get the most out of it. The intuitive interface is straightforward, making it accessible for beginners but still powerful enough for pros. Whether you need realistic portraits, surreal landscapes, or anything in between, Postdio's AI can generate impressive results in just a few clicks. One of the most exciting things about Postdio is its ability to generate unique and highly detailed images based on simple prompts. This means you can literally describe what you want in plain language, no complex settings or technical jargon required, and the AI does the rest. Whether you're looking to create marketing visuals, social media content, or even conceptual art, the possibilities are endless. Another thing you'll appreciate is the speed. Postdio doesn't leave you hanging while you wait for your images. In a matter of seconds, you'll have the visuals you need. This makes it perfect for content creators, marketers, or anyone who's working on a tight deadline and needs high-quality visuals fast. Let's talk about customization. Postdio isn't just about generating images, it also allows for fine-tuning. Once the initial image is created, you can tweak it to fit your exact vision. From adjusting the style, mood, and composition to changing the lighting and color scheme, Postdio offers a lot of flexibility, so you're never locked into a specific output. One major benefit I want to highlight is how Postdio stays ahead of the competition with its ability to generate images that are not only beautiful, but also highly realistic. Unlike some other tools where the generated images can look a bit off or artificial, Postdio nails the details, whether it's a human face, an object, or a complex scene. This makes it perfect for professional use, where the quality of the image is crucial. And then there's the pricing. As I mentioned, you can try Postdio completely free from the link in the description below. But beyond the free trial, Postdio offers various plans that are affordable for both individuals and teams, making it accessible for people at all levels, from hobbyists to businesses. Lastly, the real power of Postdio lies in its community and regular updates. The team behind the software listens to feedback and continually improves the platform, adding new features and capabilities to keep it at the cutting edge of AI image generation. Before I wrap up, remember, after trying Postdio, I've tested thousands of other AI tools and have narrowed down the best ones for you. You'll find my recommended software in the description below, and you can give them a try for free as well. So, to sum it all up, Postdio Image Generation AI is a fast, intuitive, and powerful tool for anyone looking to generate stunning visuals. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, this software is one you should definitely check out. Try it for free through the link below, and I'll catch you in the next review.